Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Alipay, and in today's video I'll show you on how to change your Alipay account login password. Let me show you how. Go ahead and click on account. Proceed to the setting icon from the top corner. Go ahead and click on account and security. Go ahead and click on login password. Then go ahead and click on change now. Once you click on change now, an email verification code will be sent to your Alipay link email account. Go ahead and check the code from the link email, then come back here and enter your verification code, then enter your new password. It's that simple. With that, you have successfully changed your Alipay account login password. It's that simple. For more tutorial about how best to use your Alipay app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.